Okay, this is the concept tips for test 1, multiple choice. You have matching at the top. You'll have to dig around for some of that in the book. Then we get into the word problems. Now I've added for this a table because I think that will help you figure out the equation. So what you'll have to do is find all of these numbers at the top, and cost of goods manufactured is going to tell you what that is. And that one you're going to have to calculate because that's not available up here. You're going to have to look in the book and look at our reviews and homework to figure out how to do these. And then the ending inventory is given up here. And that is 17,800. So how do you come up with 29,300? So that's what this is for. So if I start with beginning inventory and I add, and you can use add or plus, whichever one you want, add that to the beginning finished goods, I'm going to come up with what my inventory is available, and that is 46, oops, let's go back. It's going to be 001 40 47 100 possibly. Okay, so that this equals, and you need to write these out to the side so you know what's going on. So what do I do with my ending inventory? Well, go into one of our activities and find out what we did with the ending inventory to find cost of goods sold. So that would be a minus. We subtract it, don't we? So if I subtract 17,800 from 47,100, I'm going to come up with 29,300. So you see what I want? I want the numbers here. I want what you do, add it, subtract it, does it equal it? So that I know, or that we know, that you understand how the equation works. And you'll do that with all of them. The exception is the next one, and I've just simply said materials, labor, calculate prime costs, and calculate the conversion costs so that you can find the answer, how they found this $2 million. And if you lay that equation out, you will figure out how they did that. And you'll use this right here, this row down here. So just fill that in. Now the rest of them are really very similar to the ones I just did. What are we calculating here? Overhead costs. So you need to find all of your overhead costs and figure out what the total overhead is, and it should equal 45,200. Same thing in this one, you have two. You have to figure the calculation of cost of goods sold before you can do the net income at the top. And there's one more. Again, it's beginning with the finished goods, adding the cost of goods sold, getting the available inventory, subtracting the ending inventory, and coming up with the cost of goods sold. So that's your concept test. Email if you have questions, okay? Good luck.